How to Growing Cockscomb Flower. The cockscomb flower is a yearly expansion to the flower bed, regularly named for the red assortment also shaded to the chicken's brush on a chicken's head. Cockscomb, Celosia cristata, customarily developed in the red assortment. The cockscomb plant is flexible in stature, some of the time staying as short as a couple of inches while others develop to a couple of feet. The sporadic development propensities for the cockscomb plant can prompt amazements in the garden. In spite of the fact that a yearly flower, developing cockscomb reseeds unreservedly and frequently supplies an abundance of plants for 1 year from now. The cockscomb flower may likewise be a fat and spiky little plant, developing in hues other than the lively red. This cockscomb is called crest Celosia. The cockscomb plant is valuable in cultivate outskirts or planted between taller plants in the garden to include a spike of shading close ground level. Full sun areas enable cockscomb Celosia to become taller. Be that as it may, cockscomb may develop in just incomplete sun, so it can joyfully exist when halfway shaded by taller plants. Squeezing back the primary sprout on these flowers can cause fanning and a more bounteous show of flowers on every cockscomb plant. Plant seedlings into rich, well-depleting soil that has warmed in pre-summer. Seedlings might be developed inside or acquired. Those living in warm territories may sow the little seeds specifically into the flower bed. In regions more distant north, ensure the dirt is warmed before planting, as giving the cockscomb a chance to plant chill can cause summer flowering to stop or not occur. Leaving seedlings too long in swarmed cell packs may have a similar outcome.